So the problem here is when it's hung up like this, the branches have no support. So when you open it up, you can see what happens. So that's how it looks, and it shouldn't. You want the branches out, but because it's upside down, it's going to hang like that. So this is the hard part. This is where all this comes in. To keep the branches supported, I get these, basically there'll be 4 of these. I'll line these up like this, so 4 of them like a square inside the tree. The branches will push out through here, so they can't fall downwards. Anyway, I'll put it in the tree and hopefully it'll make sense then. Push the branch down, so when it's upside down it stays that way. Okay. So that's it. So you walk in, you can see it from this angle. There's always a good side and a bad side. It's hard to know which is which. None of this looks great. Maybe this side. I think this side is the best side. I'll have to make some adjustments. What I do here is I pull some through and to cover up the wood a little. You can see by doing this. Now, so that looks better. Let's pull this one through. See how this looks. Yeah, not so bad. That one's pretty okay. So now I'll move on to the higher ones. So just lower it down. That there. So what we need is kind of that up there. And that's where the cable ties come in. That could be pulled up a bit more. And we see that. Let me tighten that up. Looks pretty good. Now, the light isn't great, but you can see that it's much better from this angle. All it needs now is decoration. Looks pretty good. And the wood inside, not too visible. Yeah, pretty happy with that.